Today we'll talk about the best investments that you can make in your 20s that will help you grow your wealth tremendously. And if this sounds too easy, it's because it is. These investments will ultimately give you diversification across every single asset class in the world with the highest average returns. All of these investments can be started almost immediately, regardless of how much money you have available, as long as you have internet connection and the desire to succeed. Really quick, if you guys like these type of videos on the best investments and how to grow your wealth, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out tremendously. And thank you guys so much for the support. So let's start with the easiest and cheapest investment first. And that would be to invest in yourself. This is really cliche and you might think that this is bad advice, but actually it's not. There's a reason why I made this number one. Invest in yourself by reading books and watching videos like this to gain the correct knowledge. Network with successful people that already achieved what you are trying to achieve. By doing this, you are investing in your future. There's a famous quote of Nelson Mandela where he says that education is the greatest engine of personal development. It is through education that a daughter of a peasant can become a doctor, that a son of a miner can become the head of the mine, and that a son of a farmer can become the president of the greatest nation. So just remember to never stop educating yourself and always invest in yourself first. The second investment would be to build a good credit score. And I made an entire video explaining just that. All you need to know is that this is one of the easiest ways that you can improve your financial position. By having a great credit score, this will ultimately help you to loan money with the best terms and the best rates possible for future investments. Number 3 would be to invest in an index fund like the S&P 500. This is basically a collection of the top 500 traded companies in USA. When it comes to stock picking, it is shown that 92% of individual stock pickers underperform the S&P 500 over a 15-year period. This statistically shows that it's better just to consistently invest into the S&P 500 instead of picking stocks individually. Index fund investing is a passive way of investing and is much easier and simpler than investing in individual stocks. Number 4 is my favorite, and that would be to invest in real estate. Real estate is and will always be the cornerstone of wealth creation. You can earn semi-passive income, capital growth, as well as forced savings just by investing in real estate. This is 3 ways that you can make money with just one investment vehicle. I personally love to invest in properties that cash flow, but there are so many different approaches to investing in real estate that can make you a lot of money. Investing in real estate is like a business. If you treat it like a business, your net worth will grow tremendously over time. Some of you might not be able to invest in real estate at an early age because it's so capital intensive. Luckily, there's other options. You can invest in a REIT, or also known as a real estate investment trust. This is basically a company that owns and operates income producing properties, whether it's residential or commercial. This is a great way to earn passive income with the dividends that they pay, and you can earn capital growth when the stock price goes up. Another great investment would be to own fractional shares in properties that pays out quarterly dividends. You can do this by using the Easy Properties platform. You can invest as little as 100 Rand to buy fractional shares in properties. Let me know if you want me to make an entire video just about investing in Easy Properties and how you can build your wealth by using this platform. So there we go, guys. These are the best investments that you can make in your 20s, and I hope that this helps you a lot and that you can start investing today. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family, and hopefully it can make an impact on your life so that you can improve your financial position. If this helped you in some way, please leave a comment and let me know what you guys think, and then I'll see you guys next time.